Well, the St. Louis County Council votes to end the county's new mask mandate less than 2 days after it was enacted. Now the question is, what happens next?
Yeah, the Power of Two's Chris Renier live in Clayton for us, detailing a very emotional county council meeting. Chris?
Margie and Blair, good morning to both of you. That question of what happens next still unanswered this morning. That contentious and heated meeting taking place inside the Main County Administration Building just behind us. All quiet here this morning. Not the scene, though, last night. That was the reaction from the packed meeting after council members voted 5-2 to overturn the mask mandate in the county. That vote coming after dozens of people addressed the council, many critical of the mask mandate, and County Executive Dr. Sam Page. The members who voted to overturn the mandate were Tim Fitch, Mark Harder, Ernie Trachis, Rita Hurd Days, and Shalonda Webb. Council members Kelly Dunaway and Lisa Clancy voting against the move to end the mandate. Page standing by the importance of masks, saying they will help slow the spread of the COVID virus, especially as the Delta variant continues to rage. Page also stressing the importance of getting vaccination numbers up. The County Health Department Director warning the council about the rising COVID caseload. Here is some of what he said, as well as one of those emotional public comments.
ICU bed occupancy continues to increase. Pediatric patients continue to increase in number. And the disease seems to be striking a younger age group than we saw at the same time last year.
My friends have gone broke, lost their life savings because you shut down their businesses. You know what I mean? I'm only 32. You know how many of my friends are facing eviction? You know how many of my friends have committed suicide because of your guys' health orders? Where does it end?
The vote here came after the CDC earlier yesterday released new guidance recommending that people in areas of high COVID transmission, including the St. Louis area, should wear masks indoors regardless of vaccination status. The CDC also recommending that all students and staff in schools should wear masks as well. The county's decision does not immediately impact the mask mandate in the city of St. Louis. County Executive Page holding a COVID news briefing at 8:30 this morning. We plan live coverage of that news conference. For now, live in Clayton, I'm Chris Renier.